Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable for some stylists and people that are crazy about having trims perfect or cuts perfect. So I feel like with the right stylist, the one is not only thinking about the health of the hair, but as well as the client themselves, I think that they'll truly understand this. So her hair was a different length on one side, and I let her know, of course, each client has a trim consultation. I also take a picture of the hair so they can really see what it looked like, and she was aware of it, but she chose not to, make it even until she's ready. So, and I wanted some people to know about that. I want you guys to really understand the difference between a trim and a shaping. So if a client wants a trim, that's fine. So get all the splits, parts that are split, all that. But if the client saying, no, I don't want my hair shaped or even, you have to respect it. Like, it's not our head at the end of the day. I'm not the one wearing that head at the end of the day. If that person feels comfortable or if that's their choice, you let them have it. And a way that both of y'all can win, the hairstylist as well as the client, inform to the client, okay, being that you don't want it to get shapen, let's get on a regimen. Let's get on a schedule for your next trim, or let's set a date to where you feel comfortable and ready to get your hair shapen. And if they don't want to get it shapen, that's their preference. I don't know, it's like we kind of live in a perfect, things gotta be right in perfect society, and it's not like that. Sometimes it's not. And y'all don't take this as is. This is my personal opinion. This is something that I've noticed over the years of doing hair, that like, you don't have to, some people don't care if their hair looks a perfect length. They can have it asymmetrical or have it one side long, one side short. It's their preference, and you have to respect it. So, and as a professional stylist, you should be able to adapt to it and know how to handle it. And also on the other end of the spectrum, stylists, if a stylist choose not to accept clients that won't shape their hair or have their hair cut a certain way, or if a stylist personally want each client that they do to have perfectly trimmed hair, that's their preference. So you can always deny their stylist just like their stylist can deny the client. So we can't be in that, oh, it's as is, or stylists have to do this, clients have to do that. No, like, man, we live in a free society, free will. If you choose to do one thing, do it. Or if you choose the other, do it. It's like, it's someone for everybody. So I just wanted to inform to you guys about that, so once y'all see the trim process, I know some people in the comments gonna be like, yeah, I personally feel that she should have got a trim, or it should have been this way. Yeah, that's your personal preference. I respect that. But at the end of the day, that's not what she wanted. That's what you want. So, anyway, but comment below. I don't mind. Comment below. And let me know what you think about that. Stylists as well as non-stylists. Like, how you feel about that. Alright, y'all, enjoy the video.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm corner lanes with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I want out of reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks, yeah. But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless
whole song for everybody. Hope you guys 10 seconds.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Gave her everything, just shot of the world. Couldn't get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with